Hello and welcome to the Life Motivation YouTube channel. Today's video on how to train your brain for success. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies that you can use to optimize your brain's performance and achieve your goals. First, let's talk about the importance of mindset. Your mindset plays a critical role in determining your level of success. If you believe that you are capable of achieving your goals, you are more likely to put in the effort required to make them a reality. On the other hand, if you believe that you are not capable of achieving your goals, you are more likely to give up at the first sign of a challenge. One way to develop a growth mindset is to focus on your strengths and areas for improvement. By identifying your strengths, you can build on them and develop a sense of confidence in your abilities. By identifying areas for improvement, you can set goals and work on developing new skills and knowledge. Another way to train your brain for success is to engage in activities that challenge your mind. Activities like reading, learning a new language, or playing a musical instrument can help to improve your cognitive function and keep your brain sharp. Additionally, getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly can all have a positive impact on your brain's performance. When you prioritize your physical health, you also optimize your brain's ability to function at its best. Finally, it's important to set goals and track your progress towards them. By setting specific, measurable goals, you give yourself something to strive towards and can track your progress over time. Celebrating your successes along the way can also help to boost your confidence and motivation. In conclusion, training your brain for success is all about developing a growth mindset, engaging in challenging activities, prioritizing your physical health, and setting and tracking goals. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your brain's performance and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you all the best in your journey towards success. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.